To whom it may concern, Marcel van Woevelaert has been serving in the AWVS entertainment unit in Veterans Hospitals as a singer for the past 4 months. We have been proud to have him with us because his outstanding voice brought such pleasure to the patients. Sincerely, Miss Sally Burke. Antwerp, Belgium is a strategic city that suffered greatly throughout World War II from Allied and German bombing, and finally, Nazi occupation. As Allied bombers streamed overhead, Belgians anxiously awaited deliverance and the hope of salvation. In October 1944, Allied forces, including US and British, at last liberated Antwerp after 4.5 years of brutal Nazi occupation. Like many, Marcel van Woevelaert dreamed of emigrating to the United States to start a new life. Inspired by his father's dedication to veterans, firstborn Peter van Woevelaert, Air Force veteran and former First Lieutenant engineering officer, carries on the tradition and work on behalf of U.S. veterans. These men and women who have served their country often suffer physical challenges resulting from their years of service. Helping veterans and their caregivers cope with physical challenges while at the same time enabling the highest quality of life is the driving force and passion behind VanDahl Engineering and Home Care. Originally conceived as a small construction and engineering company, VanDahl has grown and expanded with offices now located at the ASU Skysong Innovation Center. Over many years, VanDahl has evolved from working primarily in VA hospitals on patient lists to focusing more on individual veterans and the growing trend of aging in place. For most, the desire to stay in one's own home is a major priority, and VanDahl is committed to assisting veterans in this regard. At VanDahl, we also do contracted work for telecommunication and maintenance on utility sites, property and building maintenance and repairs, as well as troubleshooting technical equipment. This ranges from electrical services to commercial and industrial power, to infrastructure construction to fiber optics and so much more. As you can see here, VanDahl has won some amazing awards over the years, from a congressional recognition certificate to being in the top 10 veteran-owned businesses to receiving the largest veteran-owned business in 2016 and in 2018 to now winning the 2019 Pulse of the City Award.